Hello everyone, welcome back with the second puzzle, a 4 stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper on Friday, April the 5th, 2024, we have here 3 regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. One puzzle is already done, so 2 puzzles are left, and we'll continue with this one, with the 4 stars Sudoku. In this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, but now we will continue with the 4 star Sudoku. Yes, it's a speed test. The first Friday of the month I will do a speed test without comments, without instructions, and this one will be number 8308. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Should be a 2 stars. Yeah, 26. 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. Question is this really a 4 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Alright, 1 minute and 30 seconds already passed. So let's get started. This should be a 1. 1, need a 1 there, need a 1 here. So this should be the 1. Need a 1 here. 1, 7. Come on. Need a 7 here. Need a 4 here. 9 and 9 and a 6 here. This should be 6. This should be 9. 4 and a 3. 8. Need a 9 there. Need a 7 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Come on. 8. No 8 here. This should be the 8 then. Need an 8 here. 4, need a 4 there. Oh, we have a 4 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. And I need a 4 here. And I need a 4 there. I need a 7 here. Okay. Come on. 5, 8. 9. So 2 numbers left. 1, 2, 3 is missing, and a 6. 3 and a 6. Okay. 3 and 3, 6. 3, 6. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 6 and a 7. 1, 2, 3, 6 and 7. Okay. 7 goes here also. So no 6. 6 should be here. No 3. 3 should be there. And I need a 2 here. 2 can be there. 2 should be here. That means we have a 2 here. 2. Well, we have a 1 here. This could be a 1, and there could be a 1. 9, 6, 4, 1. Here should be the 8. 3, 2, 3. And the 9. 9. Here should be the 9. 1, 4 and the 3. No, 1, 4 and the 6 is missing. 1, 4 and the 6. Come on, come on, come on. 8, 8, 8. Need an 8 there. 8, 8. Need an 8 there. 2 numbers left. 3 and a 6. 5. Yeah. 5. Need 5 there. Need a 5 here. 5, 5. Need a 5 here. 6, 7. Come on, 4, 5. 2. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 2, 6, and then what is this number? 2, 6, and the 3. 2, 6, and the 3. No 6 here. No 6 here. This should be the 6 then. 2 and the 3. 2 and a 3, okay. 3 and a 6. This should be a 3 then. This should be a 2 then. This should be a 3 then. This should be a 3. Need a 2 here. Need a 6 here. 6. 6, 6. Need a 2 here. So 2, 2, need a 2 there. And I need a 9 here. 2 and a 9. This should be the 8 then. 8, 8. This should be the 8. 2 and a 9. This should be the 2. This should be the 9. This should be the 2. 9, 9. Need a 9 there. And the 7 is missing. 4, 3. And the 6 is missing here. 1 box left. Should be the 7. 7, 7, 7. Okay. 1, 1, 1. 1 box left for the number 6, I believe. Yeah. 6, 6. Need a 6 there. Here 1 number left. 2, 2. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. This should be the 7. This should be the 6. This should be the 4. This should be the 1. 7 and a 9. This should be the 7. This should be the 9. 3 and a 4. This should be the 4. This should be the 3. 9 and the 3. Okay. Here I need a 6. This should be the 9. 7 and a, this should be the 7. This should be the 1. And a 1 and a 2 are missing. We have a 2 there. This should be the 2 and a 1. 8 minutes minus 1 minute. 7 minutes again. Yeah. 7 minutes. We solve it again. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it and solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the killer Sudoku. Also with a speed test. Until then, bye bye for now.